In the Air Force, if it leaves the ground, we fly it. From satellites to fighter jets. But some of us fly the heavies. Airplanes so big, you can fit other aircraft inside them. If something needs to get there fast, we're the ones they call, no matter where there is. All we need is a flat stretch of dirt or sheet of ice to get in and get out. You see, mobility's roots run deep. And when you've been doing something for as long as we have, you get pretty good at it. It was September 7th, 1918, when we first transported a group of soldiers from Chanute Airfield to Champaign, Illinois. And we haven't stopped since. We paid the ultimate sacrifice to save a battalion of soldiers lost behind enemy lines during World War I. We flew over the hump more times than we can count, and over the beaches of Normandy as many times as it took. When the Russians tried to wall off Berlin from the rest of the world, we airdropped hope in the form of food and medical supplies for more than a year. That's why we do this job. Give us an impossible mission, and we'll find a way to get it done. When our fighters need to travel halfway around the world, our tankers serve as gas stations in the sky. We can turn a C-17 into a mobile hospital at a moment's notice when a life depends on it. And it always does. Sure, the hours are long, and we're away from our families more than we'd like. But if that's what it takes to get another service member home to their family, then sign us up. There's not a corner of this globe that is out of our reach, or any passenger we're not prepared to carry there. We show up to work every day, ready to move the right stuff to the right place at the right time. Some days, that means delivering food and other life-saving supplies to hurricane victims. Other days, it means bringing home our nation's most treasured cargo, which we do with honor and dignity. When our tails land in a different country that has experienced tragedy, they know help has arrived. We will transport the most powerful weapons known to man and take the fight to the enemy when we need to. We serve our brothers and sisters in arms and know they've come to rely on us. We take pride in that. We're Air Mobility Command. All we need is a plane, and we'll move anything you got, anywhere you need it. Aim high, Airmen.